Welcome to the Best Picks. The best dash cam is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your vehicle, offering peace of mind and crucial evidence in unexpected situations. Today, we are diving deep into the often overlooked yet incredibly useful features, parking mode and motion detection, exploring how these functionalities enhance security and provide an extra layer of protection for your car, even when you're not behind the wheel, and we'll show you how to set them up and what to look for when choosing a dash cam with these features. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. Experience the future of driving with crystal clear 4K video recording. It's packed with features to keep you safe and connected on the road. Capture every detail with its stunning 2160p resolution. Even in low light, the revolutionary Super Night Vision ensures clear footage. Instantly view and manage recordings on your smartphone via the ROVE app. Download and share your videos at incredible speeds. It accurately records your location and speed. View your route on Google Maps using the app or our GPS player. It boasts a supercapacitor, a wide-angle lens, parking mode, motion detection, and more. It's designed for ultimate peace of mind. Backed by a 1-year warranty and a dedicated US-based customer support team. We're here to help you every step of the way. What we like. It boasts stunning 4K Ultra HD recording, ensuring you capture every detail. The built-in Wi-Fi 6 allows for quick video downloads and sharing. If you need high-quality footage and seamless connectivity, this is the dash cam for you. What people say. The setup is simple. There are tons of quick short videos to help guide you on how you might want to tuck away the wiring. You just plug it into the car charging socket. Image quality at 1440p at 30 fps is great. The dashcam does not look cheap at all, very slick and good looking to my point of view. Time will tell, but it is a solid 4.5 stars in my book. Super easy to install. Once again, the instruction in the box are very well done. Number 4. Vantrue N2 Pro Dual Dash Cam. Capture the road ahead and your passenger cabin simultaneously in stunning 1080p. It's the perfect solution for ride-share drivers needing clear evidence. Switch to front-only mode for even sharper 2.5K footage. See license plates and road signs with incredible clarity. With infrared night vision, it ensures clear recordings, even in low-light conditions. Never miss a detail, day or night. The built-in motion sensor automatically records while parked, providing around-the-clock security. Peace of mind, even when you're away. It features seamless loop recording and a G-sensor to automatically log crucial footage in case of an accident. Your evidence is always safe. Add optional GPS tracking for location and speed data. Plus, enjoy an 18-month warranty and 24/7 email support. It's a worry-free investment. What we like. This dash cam offers exceptional dual-lens 1080p recording, providing comprehensive coverage. Its infrared night vision ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions. If you prioritize comprehensive coverage and reliable night vision, this is the perfect choice. What people say. High definition, high-quality clips that you can set up in 1, 2, or 3-minute loops. Night vision is great. The inside-facing camera is great, definitely keeps you more aware and tuned into the road knowing you have a permanent witness with you. The front camera gets plates, bumper stickers, signs, everything else though. It lets you take pictures in addition to recording manually. Parking mode is easy to set up and you can set the G-Shock sensor to a very sensitive setting. The packaging is quality. The instructions say origin of manufacturer, although I could not find this on the outer marketing packaging box anywhere. However, the manufacturer understands that just because it is made in China it does not have to come in a cheap box to save pennies. The product through the instructions and packaging are quality and made in China. As far as the actual camera goes, it is higher quality than your standard $50 to $80 dash cams on Amazon. The video and sound quality is excellent in my opinion for a dash-style camera system. The video file sizes of roughly 10 minutes of driving are 1.3 megabytes each in total. First unbox of the dashcam got my surprise with the build quality of the dashcam. Box was well designed and packed. The dashcam itself, its design and built with quality housing. Camera lens is good too, with both dual camera for front and back for in-car view. Both lens quality is good, very clear and sharp video. The configuration of the dash cam is very simple to operate, it's very easy to mount and dismount if you require to view the video clip. Number 3. Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam. It simultaneously records the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle in stunning 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p resolution. This provides complete coverage and protects you from any liability issues. When in dual-channel mode, it captures 4K footage from the front and 1080p from the rear. The rear camera's 360 degrees adjustment and long cable make it perfect for various vehicles. Record the front and interior of your vehicle in crisp 1440p. The adjustable interior camera is ideal for rideshare drivers needing to document cabin activity. It features a high-performance sensor and infrared LEDs for clear night vision. It automatically adjusts exposure in low-light conditions, capturing clear footage of the driver and passengers. With parking mode, it continuously records, reducing video quality to maximize storage. Motion or collision detection triggers recording when needed. Requires a hardwire kit or external battery. It's powered by a supercapacitor, withstanding extreme temperatures and extending the product's lifespan. It's also incredibly durable and reliable. A built-in G-sensor detects collisions and automatically locks the footage. Loop recording overwrites older files when the memory card is full. It's easy to install and use, and comes with an 18-month warranty and 24-hour email support. Firmware updates ensure it remains up to date. What we like. With its 3 channels, it provides front, rear, and interior coverage. The 4K resolution ensures crystal clear footage. If you need complete vehicle surveillance and high-resolution video, this is the one for you. What people say. The standout feature is undoubtedly its 3-channel simultaneous recording capability, providing comprehensive coverage of the road ahead, the interior cabin, and the rear. Video quality is consistently impressive across all 3 channels. The clarity is excellent, allowing for detailed capture of license plates and other crucial details. Even the cabin-facing night vision camera performs remarkably well, providing clear recordings even in low-light to pitch-black conditions. Image quality in default 4K front 1080 interior and rear is great, with the excellent Sony CCD. Number 2. VIOFO A129 Plus Duo. This advanced dash cam provides both front and rear recording, ensuring complete coverage of your journey. It's the perfect solution for added peace of mind. Capture every detail with crystal clear 2K resolution at 60 frames per second in the front and 1080p at 30 frames per second in the rear. License plates and road signs are easily visible. Even in low-light conditions, it delivers exceptional image quality. The HDR function balances lighting, ensuring clear recordings even with strong headlights. Connect to the VIOFO app via Wi-Fi to easily view and download footage. GPS provides accurate location and speed data embedded directly into your videos. Choose from auto event detection, time-lapse, or low bitrate recording modes for comprehensive parking protection. A hardwire kit is required for parking modes, sold separately. What we like. It records at an impressive 2K 60 frames per second, capturing smooth and detailed footage. The Super Night Vision ensures clear images even at night. If you value high frame rates and seamless connectivity, consider this option. What people say. The video quality is excellent, providing clear footage both day and night. The installation was straightforward, and it's been incredibly reliable through all season and conditions. Currently, everything works very well, the front and rear pictures are of good quality, the video recording is not disconnected, I have not seen the device overheating or anything. Both cameras excelled in quality. I have the CPL for the front cam only, and there's very little difference between it and the rear cam. No glitching, smooth transition from one file to the next in great vivid colors. The only thing I didn't test was night driving, nothing I can say about that. Number 1. VIOFO A129 Pro Duo 4K Dash Cam. It captures super clear video with its 8MP sensors. Experience amazing 4K quality on the front and 1080p on the rear, 4 times better than regular FHD. With an 8MP sensor and advanced lens, it provides clear images day and night. It automatically balances lighting in various conditions. It records 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after an impact or motion detection while parked. This helps capture crucial details, requires separate hardwire kit. It features dual-band Wi-Fi for stable, fast connections. The built-in GPS logs speed and location, embedding this information into your videos. It's packed with features like loop recording, emergency recording, motion detection, and more. Optional Bluetooth remote and high-endurance memory cards are available for an enhanced experience. What we like. This dash cam offers superior 4K Ultra HD resolution for incredibly detailed footage. Its upgraded Super Night Vision ensures clear recordings in low-light conditions. If you demand the best image quality and advanced parking features, this is the ideal choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.